Good morning, students. Students, this is Miss Priya Rathod, and students, today I am with English subject. So, please take out your book number 4. And in book number 4, today we are going to learn the formation of capital letter N as well as a small letter n. So, for that you need to open the page number 2525. Okay, as you all know that we had already discussed the letter N in our live class, the introduction of letter N. So here we are going to do learn the formation. So please mention today's date over here and mention the classwork. Trace the letter and color the picture. So first of all we have to trace this letter and color this picture. As you all know, N says na. N says na. So Anna nut. Anna nut. So here we are going to do write letter N. Okay, so for that, as you can these steps, the first step is start from the blue line, third line, and go up towards the red line. Like this is the first step. Second steps come down from red line to blue line in a slanting way. Fine. And third steps go up from blue line to red line. Like this. This is capital letter N. Now here you have to color this picture. So here I am going to take my color box. Okay, and I am going to choose brown color and yellow color. Okay, I'll do brown color over here and yellow color over here. Fine. So I'll show you this picture after coloring. See students, I have done the picture of nut. Okay, so in the same way you have to do speak Anna nut. Here we are going to do trace and write letter N. This is capital letter N. So firstly we are going to do trace it. Keep a pencil here and go up. Come down in a slanting way, then again go up. Capital letter N. Speak and write. Which letter we are writing? We are writing capital letter N. Speak everyone. Capital letter N. Capital letter N. So our tracing is done. Now we are going to do write without dots, but you have to speak some words those start with letter N. Keep a pencil here. Go up. Then come down in a slanting way. Then again go up. Anna nuts. Anna naughty. Anna newspaper. Anna nurse. Anna nails. Anna nail paint. Anna net. Anna nose. So in this way you have to complete the page number 2525 in your book number 4. Okay. Now after completing the page number 2525, you have to turn your page and come on the page number 2626. Okay. Now here also you have to mention today's date over here and classwork. So students, here also you have to trace this letter, then tick the picture whose name start with N. So firstly we are going to do trace it, and as you can see, this for writing small n we required only these two blue lines, but sounds are same for small n. Okay, N says N. So make one standing line from blue line to blue line. Then take a curve from here, then go up and come down. This is small letter N. Now tell me, N net or N log? N net. So put your tick over here. Now here you have to trace N right. So let's start. Standing line and curve. This is small letter N. Which letter is this? It's small letter N. Small letter N. Small letter N. Small letter N. Now here we will speak and write and do without dots. Keep your finger here and make one standing line from blue line to blue line. Then keep your pencil here, go up, come down like this till blue line. Small letter N. N says N. N necktie. N neck. N nurse. N newspaper. N net. N nest. N naughty. N nails. So in this way you have to complete the page number 26 also. Okay? And please do your work in a very good handwriting. Fine? Thank you.